Hey everyone, Rob here, and I have a quick video on something that I found out just today, and that's the Icelandic language has around 35 different words to describe snow. Being winter, I thought I would do a video showing all of them, so we're gonna get started with snjór, which is pretty simple, it just means snow, and then we start getting into the rest of them, which I cannot for the life of me pronounce most of them. I would need someone to help me and basically show me or tell me how to pronounce them. Now in English, you know that we have different ways of saying different types of snow, snowflakes, sleet, wet snow, I guess. I'm not sure exactly what each of these words mean, but you can see here, they are obsessed with the winter, and they're obsessed with describing the snow and the cold and the type of precipitation that they get here in Iceland. I've been here 7 years, I haven't heard most of these words, so this was a brand new thing for me to see. So I thought I wanted to do a quick video, show you all exactly what I had just found out, and I hope you enjoyed it. So until next time, thanks so much for watching.